In this video, I will show you how to change the date and time on your Laxasfit smartwatch. So if the date and time settings of your Laxasfit smartwatch is not correct and you actually want to set it up with the date and time on your phone, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. In addition to that, I'm also going to show you how to change the time format on your Laxasfit smartwatch from a 24 hours to a 12 hours type of time format, or change it from a 12 hours type of time format to a 24 hours time format. Now over here you can literally see that the time and date of my Laxasfit smartwatch is different from the time and date on my phone over here, and my phone is actually correct. Now to correct or change the date and time on your Laxasfit smartwatch, you have to connect it with your phone using the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. So first things first, you want to go over to your phone and then go ahead and download and install the Laxasfit Smartwatch app into your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. Meanwhile, if you're not sure if your smartwatch actually uses the Laxasfit Smartwatch app, you can actually just scan the QR code over here, just the list of apps over here. You can literally see the QR code. Once you scan it, you should be able to find out the type of app that your smartwatch actually uses and download and install the app. Drop a comment in the comment section and I will help you on how to set up the date and time on your own smartwatch. But for the Laxasfit smartwatch, basically what we'll have to do is to go over to the Google Play Store and get the Laxasfit smartwatch app. So come over here and then search for Laxasfit. Now you want to make sure you download and install this Laxasfit smartwatch app into your phone. As you can see, mine is already downloaded and installed. Now to connect both devices together, what you want to do is to just swipe down through this notification center, turn on Bluetooth, and then turn on the service location of your phone as well. Once you've turned on both of these, if your Laxasfit smartwatch actually has Bluetooth, you also want to make sure you turn it on as well. To know if your Laxasfit smartwatch has Bluetooth, just press on this button and you should be able to find the Bluetooth settings over here. Select it and Bluetooth will be turned on. Now you want to go ahead and open up the Laxasfit smartwatch app, just like so. Now if you're using the app for the first time, the setup process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to give the app all of the permission it needs to function properly on your phone, and then just accept all of the terms and conditions. So click on agree over here and then give it permission to access your location. Go ahead and click on allow, just give it all of the permission it needs. And now you actually have to sign into the app. So basically click on the check button over here and then just sign in with Google. Go ahead and select the account you want to use to sign in. In my case, I'll actually be signing in with this account over here. If you're using the app for the first time, you might actually be asked to enter your username and other informations like your weight and body size and height as well. But basically, once you get to this page, click on the go to set option. And then you just want to go ahead and look for the Laxasfit smartwatch app over here. Turn on this permission. Check this button, click on OK to give you the permission to allow notification access. Now at this point you want to go back to the app and then you want to go ahead and pair both devices together. So come over to the My tab over here and then just click on search for devices. Just go ahead and select the Watch 9 over here, which is basically the name of my Laxasfit smartwatch. And just like so, both devices has now been connected together. Now you're going to get this pop-up. Just go ahead and click on the pair button so that they will also pair together as well. Once both devices are connected, the date and time of your Laxasfit smartwatch will also change and be corrected as well. So as you can see, the date and time on my Laxasfit smartwatch is exactly the same date and time on my phone as well. Meanwhile, if you also want to be able to change the time format from like a 12 hours to a 24 hours time format, you can actually just come over to the device settings over here, and then from over here you're going to see the 24 hours clock. Just go ahead and enable it, and as you can see, it has also changed to a 24 hours. Once I turn this off, it will also change to a 12 hours type of time format. And at this point you can as well go ahead and change the date and time settings from your phone, and it will also be changed on your Laxasfit smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.